Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have update multi-select drop-down value here in the edit page with the help of jQuery. Now we have to update our list. So whenever we will delete any record, it will change into a messy stuff and we need to update it. So what we will do, here we have code and we need to go to the list, and list is appearing in the index page. So in the index page we have to search first the delete event listener. Here you can see this is a simple Ajax, this is the getting information, and this is the delete. So whenever delete is clicked, table is destroyed, get value of the current deletion row, the row which we are going to delete, it's extract their primary key and then delete the record. After deleting the record, it is initiating the get request, which is rendering the data again. So what we need to do, we need to replace this Ajax call. How we can replace this Ajax call? Here you can see we have a get information function. We can use this function as it is. Here whenever the record is now deleted, it will automatically update the whole page. Let's once refresh the page. So the code which we have replaced now is rendered. Now delete the record from the bottom, delete, and you can see it is working fine. Now we have to delete all the records because we have integrated the category, and the record for which category is not available is creating the error on the server side. So we have deleted all the records which did not have categories. Now you can see we have edit feature, delete feature, and we also have preview feature, but we did not used category wise. We did not apply category on it right now, like to which category it is belonged. We did not apply that. We also have to create a page where we can show the category, and we also need to represent related post with the help of category. Like if it is a category of HTML tutorial, then all top 3 articles which are recently published will be displayed here as a category of HTML. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.